Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Angling Live app. The first thing you have to do is download the Angling Live app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once you've got the app installed, you click on the icon and it will take you into the app environment itself. And you'll see at the bottom you have a menu bar: news, scheduled, live, final results and help. For the purpose of this guide and how to use the competitor section of the app, click on the live tab and you'll see there that I have set up a section for the Sea Angling Classic 2022 test. Go ahead and click on the competitor login and you're greeted with a username and password selection. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with SAC 22001. And there is a PIN number. These details will be sent to you before the event so you can have a test and have a play around to your heart's content to get the feel of the app before you actually start fishing. So when we log in, the first thing you are greeted with is a notification. These notifications come in various different colours: green for info, amber for warning and red for danger. They are sent by the event organisers. But the good thing about it is once you minimise it, you'll only see it once until you log out or log back in, or the event organisers send another notification out they think you need to know. So within the user interface, you'll see the top button, log out, pretty self-explanatory. You click on that button, you will be logged out of the app, but we'll show you that at the end of this demonstration. So check all the details are correct, SAC 22001. For the purpose of this demonstration, the name is also Test 001. Provisional event position, that's down as first, obviously 001, but just be aware that these are not confirmed until all the results have actually been re-verified. Because of the nature of the app, auto refresh isn't on for the UI, so every now and again you have to click the refresh data button and it will basically repopulate the leaderboard, so any changes that have been made since you've been logged in. Okay, so the important piece, the top button, is add fish. If we click on the add fish, you'll see straight away at the top images. So the first one is fish on ruler showing left flank. So if we go ahead and click on choose file, click on photo library and select the fish that is on the ruler. Nice little smooth hand there. The second one, fish head in right hand showing left flank. So if we click on choose file again, photo. So two nice pictures. One is on the ruler showing the left flank, and one fish head is in right hand showing the left flank. So select angler. If there was more than one person fishing under each reference, you'll be able to select there who actually caught this fish. Again, for the purpose of this demonstration, SAC 22001, there is only one angler, which is Test 001. Fish type, this fish type is a smooth hound. To make sure we select the correct fish, and the fish length is 89 centimeters. It's recommended now that we can scroll back up and we can have a look to make sure that the fish pictures are correct, the angler's correct, the fish type's correct, and the fish length in centimeters is also correct, 89 centimeters. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to select send to event headquarters. So very quickly you'll find a success message. It's been successfully sent to event headquarters. You can view the status of your entry in the awaiting approval tab. So let's minimize this notification. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and we'll see awaiting approval 2. So there's 2 fish for this SAC 22001 awaiting approval. If we click on that, you'll see there one that I did earlier, which was the smooth hound of 89. The second one you see there, 2118, day 1 smooth hound, 89 centimeters. So at the moment these are not scoring fish because they haven't been approved by event headquarters. What I'm going to do now is I'm also logged into the admin panel, so I'm going to pretend that I'm an event organizer. I can see the pictures there that have been sent, and I'm going to select it to approved, and I'm going to put remarks in there, approved, well done. So I'll click update on this. The system will do its thing. So if we now click on refresh data, scroll to the bottom, you'll see there awaiting approval. We've still got the one I did earlier, but the approved fish is 2118, day 1, smooth hound of 89 centimeters. What I will do though, just for is I'm going to now select that fish to rejected. So something wasn't quite right. And then update this on the admin panel. Obviously you can't see what I'm doing there because I'm on the event organizers admin panel. I'll click the refresh data and you'll see at the bottom now there's one rejected fish, and you'll see there 2118 day 1 smoothhound 89 lip not touching headboard. So that just basically shows the awaiting approval, rejected fish, and obviously the approved fish. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move this fish to approved. There we go. Refresh data, and you'll see there, awaiting approval, approved fish 1. So what this done now is that smoothhound is now an approved fish. It's a scoring fish. So if I now click on scorecard, you'll see for SAC 22001, total is 89 centimetres. So this event is all centimetres based. It's the total centimetres for day 1 and day 2. So day 1 total is 89, smoothhound 89. Obviously if we caught more fish, that total will increase. So this scorecard basically shows you the breakdown for each day of what fish types you've caught, their length and the total. Let's click on leaderboard. So you see at the top, position number 1, SAC 22001, test 001, obviously that's the name, and a breakdown of day 1 and day 2 of the centimetres, giving a total of 89 centimetres. This will, as the event progresses, you'll find that obviously the centimetres will increase for day 1 and day 2 for each of the references. So notifications, if you minimize notification and you think, oh, what did that say, and you don't want to log out, all the notifications that the event organisers have sent out are in the notifications tab, and you'll see there an example of the green, which is info, red, which is danger, and amber, which is notification, and you'll get these periodically through the event. A good thing to add is the offline. So because the app here is web-based, it requires internet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what will happen if I turn off mobile data. So straight away, now I have no signal. If I click on refresh data, I'll get no mobile data signal. So if I turn it back on, you'll see straight away the app will come back to life. Okay, so if you do get that no mobile data signal, just when you come back into internet range, the app will come back to life. There's no need to log out. If you do get an error at any point, just close down the app completely, restart it, and you should be back in, obviously as long as you've got mobile data. So if you click log out, it will take you back to the login screen. You can click the back arrow and you're back to where you started. One thing I could have shown you is when you're within the app, you can flick between the other tabs and you will remain logged in for the duration. I would recommend that you do log out after day 1 and then obviously log back in at the beginning of day 2, but there is no requirement. You will remain logged in. So thanks for watching, and any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.